How to log in Messenger app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface with text fields. In this text fields, you need to enter your mobile number or email and password associated with your Messenger account. If you forget your password, then you can also go for forget password option, from where you will be able to reset your password and once again you can log into your account. So let's move to the process. So in the first text box, you need to enter your mobile number or email, and similarly in the second text box you need to enter your password. Once you are done, you have to go for login option. So before that, a login code will be sent to your mobile number. You need to copy the code and you need to enter. And here, if you want to save your login info, then you can go for save info option. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log into your account, then you don't have to enter your email and password. You will be directly logged into your account. And after that, you can see I have been directly logged into my account. So this is how you log in Messenger app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.